All right, so now we're going to take a look at what you do when you sign up as a student with a free account. This is typically what you'll do if you are trying to test out cadpractice.com and see if it's a good fit for you, or if you know that you're going to become a member of a class or a group, and that class or group has the paid accounts ready for you to use. So we're going to come up here to cadpractice.com, choose Get Started, and the first thing we're going to be asked for is our date of birth, and that way we can prove our age verification. So we're going to choose our appropriate age here. We're going to choose Continue, and then we're going to choose our account type, either student or educator. I'm going to choose to log in as a student. Now, you can sign in using Google and SSO, so if you already have an account that you can use, you can absolutely sign up with that. Otherwise, you're going to come down here towards the bottom and go through and fill out your information. So what do you want your avatar to be? I'm going to make it this guitar here. What do you want your name to be? I'm going to use the name John Milton as my name for this example student here. What do you want your email address to be? So I'm going to go ahead and input my email address here. And then what do you want your password to be? Then down at the bottom here, what country are you playing from? So I'm going to play from the United States here. And then what is the CAD system that you're working with? So Onshape, Fusion, SolidWorks, FreeCAD. This will be tracked when we create leaderboards and things like that when you participate in leaderboards. So I'm going to choose Onshape and then agree to the end license agreement, terms and conditions, privacy policy, student data privacy policy, and create account. And so then what will happen is you will receive an email with a verification code, and it comes in pretty quickly here. I'm not editing or anything. This actually just immediately came in here. And so I'm going to choose to verify my email. So it should come in pretty quickly. One thing to note is you want to make sure you check your junk mail or your spam inbox. Mine always seems to come into my junk mail inbox. So just make sure you check all your inboxes, but it should come in pretty much immediately. And so now we see that I'm logged in as a student. So here's my student name, John Milton, logged in as a student, and I'm using the free account here. So here as the free account, you can see that I've got settings, purchases, help and contact, and log out. So in the next video, I'll talk to you a little bit about what you can do as a student with that free account.